Quick question. What's more important, having a six-pack or sleeping 8 hours a night? Spoiler alert, your brain and body will pick the sleep every time. Welcome back to the Learning Studio. In today's psychology series, we're talking about mental health and well-being, the science of happiness, balance, and self-care. What is mental health? Mental health isn't just the absence of illness. It's about how we think, feel, and handle life's ups and downs. Just like physical health, it needs regular care. In fact, psychologists say mental well-being is built on three things: positive emotions, like joy and gratitude, meaningful relationships, and a sense of purpose. The science of happiness. Here's the fun part. Science shows happiness isn't only about money, grades, or likes on Instagram. Sure, those can give a quick boost, but long-term happiness comes more from things like gratitude, kindness, and connection. For example, studies show people who practice gratitude journaling, literally writing down 3 good things a day, often report higher life satisfaction. Simple, but powerful. Self-care isn't selfish. Now let's talk self-care. No, it's not just spa days or Netflix marathons. Self-care means taking steps to recharge mentally and physically. Things like proper sleep, exercise, setting boundaries, or even just saying no when you need to. Think of it like charging your phone. You wouldn't expect 2% battery to last all day. So why expect it from yourself? Why mental well-being matters. When your mental health is strong, you handle stress better, build healthier relationships, and feel more motivated to achieve goals. And just like brushing your teeth, it's something you have to maintain regularly, not just when there's a crisis. So here's the takeaway. True well-being isn't about being happy 24/7. It's about balance, resilience, and caring for yourself, the same way you'd care for someone you love. In our next episode, we'll step into abnormal psychology, understanding mental disorders, their causes, and how treatments have evolved. It's a deep but important discussion you won't want to miss. Check the playlist link in the description. Subscribe if you haven't. Self-care is smart care.